Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This well-appointed 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom house with an immaculately groomed garden is located in one of many desirable residential areas of Santa Cruz, known as Retirement Road. It is a structurally sound home which sits on approximately 0.25 acre. Some features include reserve water tank, AC units, carport, grill for extra security, living area, dining and kitchen. The retirement area is known to offer a sense of security, serenity and peacefulness. Access to all major convenience and schools is but a stone throw away, ideally distanced from the town center to easily conduct business, while also being spared from the spontaneous traffic congestion. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27.5 million or US $178.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.